right, here in question number 7 for section 3, it states, critique the reasoning of others. Jamila and Ryan were asked to write the equation of the line through the points 6, 4 and 3, 5. Both Jamila and Ryan determined that the slope was -1/3. Jamila wrote the equation as y minus 4 equals -1/3x minus 6. Ryan wrote the equation as y minus 5 equals -1/3 parentheses x minus 3. Rewrite each student's equation in slope-intercept form and compare the results. And then B, tell me whose equation is correct and justify your response. Well, let's start off by taking a look at their equation. I'm going to work Jamila's out over here, and then we'll work Ryan's out on this side, okay? So I'm going to start off with y minus 4 equals -1/3 x minus 6. First thing we're going to use is the distributive property. So I have y minus 4 equals -1/3x, and -1/3 times -6 is a +2. Now we're going to add 4 to both sides of our equation. I'm left with y equals -1/3x plus 6. Let's take a look at Ryan's equation. Ryan wrote y minus 5 equals -1/3 x minus 3. First thing we should do is use the distributive property to get rid of our parentheses. So I'm left with y minus 5 equals -1/3 x. -1/3 times -3 is a +1. We're going to add 5 to both sides of the equation. I'm left with y equals -1/3 x plus 6. What do we notice here? The equations are the same. Okay, whose equation was correct and why? Both Ryan and Jamila were correct. Because the equations represent the same line. On to the next set of questions.